Hello and welcome to another Textile Express tutorial on how to make an Easter fabric basket. It's a great little project, perfect for your Easter egg hunt. For this project you will need half a meter of face fabric, half a meter of lining fabric, a meter of heavyweight interfacing, a sewing machine and some scissors, some chalk or a marker. We'll start by measuring and cutting out two rectangles 17 inches by 13 inches, and you'll do that with your lining fabric and your face fabric as well. So in total you should have 4 rectangles. From the bottom of your rectangle, measure out and mark 3-inch squares in the corners. Then cut these out from both lining fabric and your face fabric. From your face fabric, cut out a 17 inches by 6 inches rectangle for your handle, and we'll start interfacing. For this project, you will need to interface all of the pieces. Now they are all interfaced, we'll start sewing. Place your fabric face side to face side and sew together on the 3 straight edges, left, right and bottom. Once that's done, you can open up the square corner, match up your seams and pin in place. You will then sew a straight line across that to create the base of your bag. Do the same with the other corner. Now repeat the process with your lining fabric. Take your handle fabric and fold the edges in to the center, and then fold your fabric in half again. Then stitch a line close to the edge of the fabric and do the same on the other side of the handle. Find the center of the both sides of your basket to attach the handle to. You can mark that with a pin or marker. Pin your handle to the basket as shown. Pin your handle to the basket as shown. Place that piece inside your lining basket, still face side out, so we've got the fabric's face side to face side. Match up the side seams and then pin the top in place. Once ready, you will sew around the top, making sure you leave a gap at the end. Through that gap, you would turn your basket the right side out and then fit the lining inside your face fabric. To finish off, you will just have to close that gap and top stitch all around the top of the basket. And that's it. That's your Easter fabric basket ready. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this.